Yes, here we come now again at Demo Consult with CPA, CTA, Dedan, Mutatinensi when we are discussing taxation matters in Uganda. You know, Uganda is our home and tax is a very important subject that we cannot ignore. Now, I'm coming today to answer a question about who is a taxpayer. I've seen several cases, someone says, but I'm not tax registered. Whether you are registered or not, we are about to see and appreciate who is a registered taxpayer. Now, in the laws of Uganda, as long as you are in business, as long as you are in employment, as long as you are earning, you still have the capacity. It means you are not below the age of working. It means you are not maybe above 70 when you are no longer earning anything, you don't have rentals. As long as you are in that productive age, then you are a taxpayer. Whether you are registered or not, it is a matter of time. What am I saying? That me and you, if you are employed the way I'm employed at Demo Consult, I work with Demo Consult, I earn. So if I'm earning, then I'm a taxpayer, even when I haven't registered. Because I'm earning every other month, the law requires me to get a tax identification number. And remember, in the new year, when we talk about the tax identification number, we are talking about the NIN. The new amendment that has just started with July 2025 says that now our NIN numbers will be used as our TIN numbers. In effect, you and me who has a NIN, you are a registered taxpayer, even when you have not thought about it. So, what does it mean? That for income tax purposes, every other person who is productive, you are earning, you may not necessarily be in business, but you are in rent, or rent is also business. You may be having properties that you sell. You are a taxpayer. So the question of saying that I'm not yet registered, please better register. But also, is it important to be tax registered? Yes, yes. I have seen that today you cannot do any serious business when you don't have a tax identification number. So it means to show that you're actually serious about what you are doing, the first requirement is being registered with URI as a taxpayer. So it is no longer optional. As long as you want to do business, it is more advantageous to have a tax identification number than keeping hiding. Anyway, you cannot hide forever. I've seen that banks, when you talk about opening a bank account, they need a TIN. If you're in business, you need a trading license, they will ask you for a TIN. Where will you hide? Time is now that we all actually register. Now, in other sessions, we shall discuss what you need to register for value-added tax, what you need to register for excise duty, and all these other taxes. Importantly, the question is, well, someone was asking whether if I'm not registered, I'm a taxable person. And my expert advice is, you don't need to first register. As long as you are productive, it is a matter of time, you are you are a taxpayer. The law requires you to register even when you have not registered. So when time comes, the taxman can actually register you 5 years ago. You are in 2025, they are saying from 2019, you were meant to be registered, and they will ask you for taxes for that period. So don't wait for the taxman to look for you. Instead, take yourself, get a tax identification number, and be a tax registered person like others. Thank you.